This will be our final journey.
So this is first-hand evidence of why Rocket succeeded at the Rainhill trials.
So today we are going to be unboxing the Hogwarts Express.
We need to look at a different way forward, and this is the first step.
Rocket was a giant step forward with regard to steam generation. It has to be one of the fastest improvements in mechanical engineering the world's ever seen.